Hello everyone, it's Ryan here from the London Craftsman channel. Today's video is all about how to change the blades on a Makita 2012nb thicknesser. Right, so with the back of the machine to view, flip the tray down and you can see two thumb turn screws. Let's remove those. As you can see, we've got a toolbox here, the magnetic blocks that we're going to need, spanner in here and an Allen key. I've had a chain attached to here, okay, I snapped mine by accident. Make sure that that's out the way and move that out the way. This is what it reveals underneath, okay, so we simply need to undo these 6 nuts and we will be able to remove the blade. Just note that if it is still free spinning on you, okay, you just keep turning it until it clicks. You can press this button, okay, that button will allow you to move the blade or the assembly once again when we come to change the second blade. Using this tool provided, we're going to be undoing all 6 of these. Right, so before you take the assembly out, the black plate and the blades, you've got these 2 magnetic holders. I would suggest that you just clip them on because this blade is quite small, thin. It just holds them together so you don't drop the blade down. Okay, so that is on. We can just take the black assembly along with the blade. But don't be fooled to thinking this is a huge blade. It's not, it's tiny. Have a look round. Okay, so if you're lucky, you've got a double-sided blade. Let's take the magnets off. So now I've sharpened the blades up, they are ready to go back in. Good practice is to dust off your machine. I use this from Trend. It's a tool cleaner. It gets rid of all the rubbish that builds up on the teeth of your blades and stuff like that. It'll come up really quick and easy. So now we've cleaned all our parts and we've blown out all the dust. Let's go ahead and put these blades back. So you would have either sharpened up your blades, flipped them over because they're reversible, or got yourself a replacement set. So one of those, and really simple. Let's go over how these work. So you can see a little tab here and a tab here. That will line up with that groove at the back. Okay, they will just clip nicely in place in relation to the front and back. In relation to side, just line up your holes, okay, with those holes. That will locate that part. So the next thing we need to do is attach the blade. So if we flip it over, you can see a little ridge here, okay. That helps the blade line up. You can see also on the blade, we've got a little groove. Okay, so that groove there will line up to that tab. Set your blade onto this with the magnets, drop it in, do up the bolts, and we will be done. They're all nipped up by hand. Now we can use the tool provided and nip them up. That is one blade done. We can remove those magnets now and we can press that button. You can just see our new blade in there, perfectly set. All we need to do now is spin that around to the other side, do exactly the same as what we've just done. Now all we need to do is put this plate back on, thumb turn screws, put the tools back, ready to rock and roll. Right, so as I sharpen these, let me give you a demonstration on the difference sharpening your blades will make, or even changing the blades. It's going to be like a hot knife through butter. It's going to be absolutely superb. Let's go and put it back, plain some mocha up. Right, so that's job done. Job complete, successful. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Like and subscribe. Make sure that you leave a comment, leave some feedback for me to make sure that YouTube shares this to others that might need the video. So there we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great Friday. I'll see you next Friday, hopefully. Take it easy. Ciao for now.